Hey guys, welcome back to Urban Tech here. Today we are going to unbox Segate 2 TB expansion hard disk, portable to your PC and your phone. And this side, Segate expansion, and the price is around 7,499, but it costed me in offline store around 5k. And the features of this add-on storage for your PC, stockage, and these are the other languages. And let's open the package. Let's put it aside. In this we have Segate user manual. If you are using the hard disk for the first time, you have to carefully read this user manual. Let's put it aside. And this is paperwork about Segate. Let's put it aside and open this package. And here we go. This is the hard disk. Let's put it aside and let's open this cable. Here we go. The quality of the cable is very good. And here we go. The hard disk is very slim and super lightweight, and this has UFS 3.0, and this has two ports, micro USB port and mini USB port, and that's it. This is made of plastic body, and this is premium design over here. So that's it guys for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Urban Tech. Yeah, don't forget to comment down below. Thank you and bye bye.